Hello, friends. Let's breathe together for 1 minute. First, check into your body and mind. On a scale of 1 to 10, how stressed are you? How tense is your body? I'll have a metronome going to keep track of the seconds that have gone by. Perhaps you can use it to practice your box breathing. Ready? Okay. And coming back to the room, check in with yourself again. What would you rate your stress level on a scale of 1 to 10? How about your level of bodily tension? Is it higher or lower than it was before we started? There are no wrong answers. Hopefully you went from looking like this person to this person. Although looking like this person is okay too. I do hope you feel healthier and happier after this breathing session. Have a great day, serve others, and be well.